Pisces, welcome to your reading. Let's look into your messages for Pisces. Nine of Wands. There's something about resilience here, alignment of feminine, masculine. This person is a traveler. This person is grounded. There's the as above, so below energy, the moon and then the sun. And then in between there's the stars. So there's something about this person's connection with spirit, wisdom, emotional intelligence. So something about your emotional intelligence is coming up in this reading and your alignment. Your resilience, the sun. You could be a divine masculine energy. You could be a divine feminine who is aligning with that divine masculine energy. With the Nine of Wands, it's definitely what is happening here. With the sun, it could be the physical sun, like you going out into the sun. It could be that there are revelations coming up as well, like more revelations. Ace of Wands. So this is a lot of light, a lot of light. Solar plexus activation. Now you see that Ace of Wands is like sparkly in this deck, and there's that explosion in the background. So this inspiration is like bang, you know, it's like it's coming, something is coming regarding your resilience. Yeah, it feels really good. It does feel like a lot of light. I'm getting welcome to the light for some reason. Princess of Cups, Page of Cups. I feel like you've reached the threshold of something. You could have Cancer in your chart, or there could be a Cancerian in the picture. The Princess of Cups is to do with dreams, intuition. This is a news that is coming to you regarding someone. This person could be a water sign. There could be I'm getting more of water, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I see the moon and the chariot. The moon, Prince of Wands. The chariot coming. So there could be a twin flame connection here, a soulmate connection. With the Nine of Wands and the moon, this is 9-9, so there's a closure of a cycle happening, and you are being guided to stay resilient because a lot is happening. It feels like it's happening in the dark. Now Pisces, if this is not about you, then I feel like this message is about you and then there's another person, because I see the moon and the sun. So someone could be going through some heavy shadow work at this time. And the Prince of Wands and the sun is like, this is a very masculine energy. There could be a young person here, because I see that sunflower has a little child. This Prince of Wands, there's a delivery they're bringing. Could be an ancestor. The Chariot and Ace of Wands is someone wanting to travel. Someone may want to travel towards you. There's a lot of energy that I'm getting here to do with intimacy. Like with the Ace of Wands and the Chariot, I really am getting like something very fiery. Princess of Cups, clarified by Six of Swords. So this is moving to calm. Someone could be wanting to move towards their dreams. Someone could be aligning with their purpose here. Whoever this is, they've They've been the wounded warrior for a very long time. They've carried a lot of burden. Now this person is going through some heavy shadow work, the divine feminine healing. It feels like the tables have been turned here, Pisces. Okay, at the bottom of the deck we have Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is about that alignment, the wheels turning, the wheels churning. When I see the Three of Pentacles, it's a Capricorn card, but I also see Aries. What looks like the goat, the ram. There's something about collaboration here with your guides. And the Two of Swords, whatever this is, may have put you at the crossroads a lot of times. Nine of Wands and the Moon. Five of Wands. Knight of Cups. I feel like there could be an offer coming in for you, like a love offer, a peace offer. This person is feeling conflicted. There's a lot of energetic conflict going on with this person. Six of Wands. So you see how this is like, this is 5 wands and then this is 6 wands. So there's something to do with victory and recognition in the sun. And then the 5 of wands with the moon feels like conflict. So one is behind the other, like one is moving slower than the other. I feel like someone is finding themselves feeling stuck in conflict. They may even want to approach you at this time, but they can't. Maybe they are blocked from doing that. Justice. Ace of Wands, the Chariot. Someone is experiencing something right now. And it's like you are being guided to stay in your balance. There's a lot of inspiration that I'm getting. Collaboration in this new cycle. Page of Cups, which is Princess of Cups, and Six of Swords. Knight of Swords. Some really fast communication coming in. Four of Cups. Looks like you could be refusing an offer. Or the divine is telling you not to accept. It could also be that this person is experiencing this. The Hierophant, Knight of Wands. You could be taking, because this has taken you on your spiritual journey, on your path of spirit, like strengthening your path of spirit or path to spirit, you know. I feel like there's some communication that is coming in or has already come in, but then somehow they are blocked from you because you have surfaced out of this. There's someone that feels left behind and you are out of this. Okay, this could be someone you know. With the moon, it could be a divine feminine energy as well. But this person is still feeling conflicted. Yeah, there's a lot of shadows here. And then there is light. And the light seems to be outweighing the shadows. And this is why whoever this is blocked from reaching you. because you're now in your time of collaboration with spirit. And there's someone bringing you justice. It could be a divine masculine energy. Now, the Page of Cups with the last line of this reading, I feel like there is definitely fast communication coming. And you may not be interested in this. Because this person is grounded. It's like you're standing your ground with this person. They're definitely not happy. This is someone who maybe has resisted their process. They've resisted their process of healing. Knight of Cups is still here. I feel like there's an offer coming in for you. Could be two different people, two different situations that I'm picking up on. There's someone definitely that is blocked from you. And then there is you moving forward. It could be you alone, like in this very protective energy. It could be with another person. I feel like there is something to do with travel. There is something to do with a car. Like this person's car may not work, may break down when they're trying to come to you, and that may be a sign for you showing that your guides are blocking this off. Because delays are lifted for you, so whatever flows with you, works with you, is what goes with you. Progress. It seems like a long slug, but your efforts will pay off soon. Stay on course for at least a few more months before making a change. Rewards. You are cashing in on all the good work you've done. Raises, bonuses, and prosperity are coming in. Keep going and keep growing. At the bottom of the deck, we have star power. You need engaging work that will let your talent shine. You are a natural actor and influencer. You attract fame and fortune. I share to that. With the Chariot and Ace of Wands, I'm getting something about revving up your engine. It's like you're revving up your engine and you are moving in your balance. It's like those 4 tires of the car and they're balanced right now. There could be a Libra in the picture as well. Passion. So this is a lot to do with your purpose, as what came earlier as well, to do with wisdom, capacity. It's like you're guided to apply wisdom in this situation or situations, and that's exactly what you're doing. I want to get more about the last line with Page of Cups. Freedom. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. I feel like this is someone who you could be experiencing this. And it could be the divine saying that this person has the power and the free will to create their own happiness. So there could be something about that, and they needing to see that they have that strength to do it. Perseverance. Angels and ancestors, what do you have for Pisces? Stag, trust and thrive. Shapeshifter, transform and unveil your gifts. Okay. Come alive and thrive. Stand in your light and glory with grace and majesty. You have an opportunity to thrive. Trust in all that you have to offer, all your gifts, strength and power, and make the most of it. You were born to lead, and this can only become reality when you are willing to put yourself in that position. You are being encouraged to retain your dignity and be proud of who you are and all that you've accomplished. This in turn will give you even more power to thrive, onwards and upwards. Shapeshifter. Take your time and focus on developing your gifts and strengths. You may have been through many challenges and lows, but now you are in a space of transformation. You are moving beyond your past challenges and honing your current strengths. There are opportunities for you to discover and rediscover the gifts and talents that you were born with and born to share. All of your past experiences have only helped you see how strong you really are. You are an amazing soul who can change and transform in ways that people least expect. You have many talents that you will share in your lifetime. You are guided to stay focused on the light, knowing that it will guide you forward. When this card arrives, there's also an opportunity for you to tap into the power of your spirit animal. Note if you are seeing a particular animal regularly, because its medicine is coming to you. Passion. This card indicates creative focus and an ability to ignite the passion necessary to manifest what you desire. The power of amber is that focused emotion can create anything, for it brings the gift of emotional discipline. I quietly sizzle and I shine. You are correct to feel passionate about your position. Follow your instincts, for you know intuitively what is right for you. Are my daily actions supporting my real passion? What am I willing to stand for? The key ideas are following your passion, being authentic, taking a stand for yourself, being acknowledged, feeling ostracized by family, friends, being emotionally centered, strong feminine energy, a happy outcome. So, now I get it. There is someone here who may be a friend, and it came out in your past reading or so, and this person, somehow you went ahead of them on your journey. You've been doing your transformation. This person may have been on the same journey with you, like a twin flame, but something that really puts you on the ascension journey, on the journey of ascension. And now they are left behind because they may have found themselves running, and in the process of running, they also try to bring you down somehow. They did some really, they didn't do some, like I would say, nasty stuff in the background just to keep you back, but you kept going in your truth, and now you are way ahead of them. You're coming into some massive recognition. Whatever this work you're doing, it's a lot to do with wisdom, and you're being recognized for it. And this person is there because they are a generational cycle breaker as well. They've been sent to break chains, but somehow they got stuck in their fear and they are feeling conflicted. And now the divine is blessing your path forward, and there's a blessing here. There's a balance that you're moving forward with. knowing that you are guarded, you are guided all the way. Yeah, it's a lot to do with purpose. This could be a friend, it could be family, it could be more than one person with the Five of Wands. But yeah, they're going through a lot of conflict at this time. Okay, let's read a bit of wisdom. This is the earth green, which brings wisdom, patience, and acceptance. Sage is perfect when you need to prove nothing, when you choose simply to be wise. There is an ability here to bring serenity to any situation, and indeed it may be needed. So I feel like the divine is showing you this person at this, like it's really bringing this to light to show you how far you've come, so that you keep going, because every now and then it's only when we look back that we're able to see like, hey, you know, I indeed have come so far. So you have come to a major milestone on your journey. And I'm still picking up that there is more here to do with the Page of Cups and Six of Swords. I feel like it's about your speaking, freedom. It's like you're in a place of freedom right now, and this situation, yeah, if it even try to come in which you are protected from, then it may put you back in this place of the Two of Swords, like indecisiveness, not really knowing, like, is this going left or right, A or B? So perhaps that's why I picked up that revving the engine, like you're revving your engine. When someone is revving their engine, they zoom forward. It's like with everything, you're zooming forward, and you're right here. So congratulations. Okay, Pisces, I'm going to stop here for now, and I wish you a lovely rest of your weekend, and I'll come back with more videos. Do take care. Bye-bye.